Pwede ba double insurance for TNVS, isang private car insurance policy and for hire insurance policy? Car is still in bank loan. Hello guys, what's up? This is JB and I'm here once again to answer your questions. So sa question niya, meron po siyang sasakyan na ginagamit pang TNVS and at the same time, ginagamit rin niya ito for personal or private use. Question niya, if pwede ba dalawa ang kunin niya na comprehensive insurance? One for private use policy and the other is for hire policy. To answer your question, isa lang ang dapat kunin mo and for hire comprehensive insurance policy. Bakit? Una, para hindi mag-double ang babayaran mo na insurance premium. Pangalawa, kasi if yung for hire policy ang kukunin mo, covered na dito ang for private use. Anong gawin mo? Pumunta sa insurance company na gusto mo, sabihin mo na pang TNVS use ang sasakyan at automatic na po na bibigyan kayo ng for hire policy. In the event na may private vehicle insurance policy ka na, i-upgrade mo lang ito at mag-add ng additional premium para maging for hire policy. Tandaan, isang ground po ito para denial ng claims ang hindi pagsasabi ng totoo tungkol sa actual use ng vehicle. Lalo na if ginagamit mo ang vehicle for commercial or for hire, pero ang kinuha mo na insurance policy ay for private use lang. And that's it. Kung gusto mo pang mas marami pang sagot at tips tungkol sa vehicle insurance, like and follow us para lagi kang updated. Kung may tanong ka, huwag magatubiling i-hit ang comment section below at tutulungan ka namin. All is well with Perla Insurance.